This is a traditional Japanese jumping frog, or a keiru, and these little guys can jump insanely far. So let me show you just how far these things can jump. So I'll line it up right here. Whoa, look at that. It actually covers pretty decent distance for its small size. Not bad. That's gotta be the furthest yet. Alright, let's raise the stakes. I set up an obstacle here and let's see if it can clear it. It made it that time. So how are these paper frogs able to jump like this? Well, what allows these frogs to jump like this is their elastic energy in their legs, which essentially works as a spring to make the frogs jump. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of these for yourself, but before I do that, this is 4G Luke, the second book in the Whispered Connection series. It wonderfully captures the forgotten yet recent era of the COVID pandemic. This sci-fi series weaves an intriguing web with themes of friendship, rivalry, and corruption in an excellent manner. It is available on Amazon and Barnes & Nobles. Links in description. Seriously though, check out Sai's book. He did an amazing job. Now back to the video. Grab a 6x6 inch piece of paper and start by folding in half. Crease well, then bring the top edge to the left side, creating a diagonal. Now unfold and fold the top edge to create an opposite diagonal. Turn the paper over and fold down on the point where the two lines meet. Crease well, then turn the paper over once again. Now push down on the center point and collapse the two sides together. Reinforce these creases well, then repeat the same steps by flipping the paper over. Now fold both flaps to meet the top corner. Reverse fold them to the crease you just made. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. Turn the paper over and fold the bottom corner as far as the paper will let you fold it. Now bring the left corner to the center crease. Tuck the left corner into the pocket as shown. Now repeat the same steps with the right corner. Now fold the bottom half of the body up a slight amount. Then reverse fold it back to the crease. Now you have a finished paper jumping frog. Have fun with it and enjoy!